So you can see all my plants that are decomposing, giving me good compost everywhere in my pots, everywhere there in my garden, decomposing and free compost. You can see my strawberries. Don't know how you call it in English, a cold frame, I think. So it's glass here. It's an old door I'm using. So it protected my strawberries. I put these so the kids wouldn't walk on it in the winter. But when it's warm enough, we can open it during the day. So these are for my potatoes. And as you can see, stuff is decomposing inside. Free compost. Why not? Looking forward to planting my stuff.